Good morning. It's me. I'm happy you know it's me. Why do you have on that princess dress? You're a princess today? Hold the gate open for the queen. Look at Rob, guys. Look at Rob. Can't hang.
Can you drive for half the day?
Rob, you want to say hello to the sunshine now? Miss Deborah says, why Rob don't want to say hi to the sunshine? Rob.
Hi.
Good morning, sweet girl.
Good morning.
You need to take a shower and get dressed so we can get on the road ASAP. Jaxson, you need to get dressed, buddy. Destiny, hop on it. I'm not waiting.
Watch TV.
Get upstairs. Get dressed.
She asked me if she can watch TV.
Why you have on a princess dress? You think you're a princess? Are you a princess? Say yes, I'm a princess. Are you okay, Rob?
No, I don't feel good.
The Kentucky in you? The Kentucky in you?
I don't know what you're saying.
Rob is ignoring me. How y'all doing? Good morning. I fell asleep in the same outfit. Got it. Living my best life. Rob don't feel well. We gotta pick up the boys from their grandparents. Oh my gosh, my kitchen is a hot mess. Like, what in the world happened in here? Like, it's like someone massacred something. Ugh. I'm gonna clean up this kitchen. Get me some coffee. Chauffeur Rob around because he's not feeling the greatest because he drank the whole bottle of whiskey. Nobody told him to do that. He kept on giving me shots and I'm like, oh, whoa. Hold your horses, Rob, because, yeah, Last time I did that, Rob and I are bad for each other. Very bad for each other. Like, look at the genius. Oh gosh. Look. Set off the alarm in the house. Great. Jojo. Really? Cupcake for breakfast? Wow. Cupcakes for breakfast. Well, I'm gonna clean up this mess.
Mommy.
You want cupcake?
Hey.
Okay. We can have cupcake for breakfast. Why not? We live our best lives around here. Yeah, great. Great. Yeah, so like I was saying, Robert and I are bad for each other. Like, really bad for each other. I don't know. Let's go see the aftermath. Oh my gosh, my deck is a hot... I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the floor. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh. Baby, you're gonna have to wash the deck. Oh my gosh. You don't know how bad things are until after you come back out and check. Like, what happened out here last night? And it was just the two of us. Sorry. Not sorry. Rob is over there hosing off his little mishap that he had. If you can't handle the heat, stay out the kitchen. Look at him. Look at him. Pitiful. Yeah, I'm gonna come clean up my house and put it back together before my older kids come home. Ew. Okay, I gotta go because I don't know. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'll show you guys. Rob lost his sock. This is the fireworks that he had going off last night. This is where he had the fireworks. He was picking them up from. This are all the bad ones. And then I think he washed the floor already, but all of this is greasy from the chicken grease. And then right here is where he was setting off the fireworks. That was like, he's washing it off right now. And then this is the bottle he had setting them off in. And this is the culprit, all gone. A full bottle. I didn't do that. Well, I'm not claiming no part in this, but he gotta clean this off, and I'm gonna go inside and clean the kitchen.
No, I washed it.
Kitchen is nice and clean, and hubby washed the deck. Hopefully you guys can see, but he washed the deck off and all the furniture. He washed them nice and clean again. Just gonna let this dry out and then put everything back. Where did you put the rug, honey? Oh, it's over there. You guys like my plant? They're coming. I keep forgetting to water them, but it's coming.
What is that?
Not you. No, I was asking about the rug.
You saw it? It's over there.
Yeah. Ooh,
Al Green.
what's the Al Green?
He was an artist.
Oh, music. Okay. Love with you. That's my jam, honey. Hold my hand. Give me your hand. Hold my hand. Let me... No, you take my hand. I'm not begging you. Take my hand, honey.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto...
Stop it! With you.
That road and Google this road, like, oh, we know where she.
Come on. Come on. My husband is strapped. Strapped. He got
In a quarter
well,
mile,
let's not
turn
talk
right
about
onto
his
the ramp to
package.
West
But
Virginia
anyways,
Road.
we're hungry. This lady keeps talking and giving away our address, so I'm gonna have to add it. But we're gonna go to Wendy's because I was gonna go on my diet today because I'm too fat. But I can start Monday. Mondays are always good to start diets, right, honey?
Turn right onto
Happy or sad, let's stay together. Let me stop. Anywho, we're gonna go get some burgers and then go pick up the other kids and then come back home and have a repeat of yesterday. So we'll see you guys later.
Hi.
So, several things happened since the last time I spoke to you guys. Went to Sprint, switched over from Verizon, because I do have Verizon. I've had Verizon for 13 years. And it was bittersweet to transfer, but the bill per month was killing me. Like, killing me. Verizon was killing me. Because it's not unlimited, and you guys know I like to be on my phone. So, I got a new phone, the same iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and I was gonna get the new one, but I didn't want because my phone was like $8 a month, and then my husband, Rob gave away his phone, like gave them his phone, and he got credit, so it put it towards the bill on this, so I only paid $4 a month for this. Same phone as what I had on Verizon, and on Verizon I was paying $40 a month for my phone, so way better. Bill is cut in more than a half, and I'm excited. got an iPad and stuff. We're here to pick up the boys. I drove down and my eye is like, I need glasses. And then drove through a nasty storm. Oh my word, it was nasty. I'm like, ugh. So my body's like shaking because I don't like to drive through storms. But I'm gonna catch you guys later.
I think Grandma got mad because she was but she's gonna change. Nothing decided. Yep, peek out there.
You broke the remote? Give it to me. Pass the remote.
Can I show them that I drew Bugs Bunny?
Okay. Good job. Did a really good job.
I just drew this.
Okay. That looks nice, Jordan. What's the hole?
There's on the step-by-step website.
What?
That's all.
I'm leaving.
Mommy, did a really good job. What is it? The remote? Give it to Jordan and ask Jordan to fix it. Call Jordan to fix it. Say please. 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 Thank you.
Yeah, this one, I think this is...
What do you say? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you just take it back off again?
It's fine.
It's broken? No?
That's what I thought.
Yeah, you just can't slide it. Here. Alright, go give it to Daddy and let Daddy turn on TV.
Look at my dragon.
Turn the TV on, Jordan.
How you feeling, Rob?
Hanging in there.
Feel much better? Want to say hello to the sunshine?
Hello.
Twins are back home. We're home. Oh. No, it's not the new phone. The guy at the store was nice enough to give me 3 cases, like, you know, old cases that, you know, people like turn in their phone. They would turn in their phone with the cases. So he was like, here you go 3 free cases, because my husband and I were going back and forth whether or not he was going to buy me cases and stuff. Cause I have a ton of cases. But it just doesn't, it fit my phone. It just doesn't fit it right. I think it was from the iPhone 7 Plus. I'm not sure, whatever. But anyways, guys, this is going to be it for today's vlog because I got to go ahead and edit it and put it up. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.